Are you ready to take charge of your finance and grow into the best version of yourself? If that is you, then move closer because you are in the right place. Hello, my name is Becky and I'm here to help students in their 20s, young professionals and entrepreneurs to step up their finance and personal growth. I started this channel because I'm currently on a journey to learn how to manage money, how to build habits for success, and how to create the kind of life I've always dreamed of. So this is a space where we can learn together and grow together. On this channel, you find videos on tips to start investing in your 20s with little experience, tips to start making money online with zero experience, and I'll also be sharing a lot of personal development strategies like time management, building confidence, setting goals, and lifestyle. Whether you're a student trying to meet end needs, or you're an entrepreneur that is chasing your dreams, or you're just someone that is trying to figure out adulthood, I got you covered. Before we say goodbye, I'll be sharing 3 tips on how to start leveling up your life today. Make sure you like this video and share it with friends. We have to build this community together. And don't forget to subscribe. The first tip we'll be sharing is track your spending. Write down every single penny you spend for the next 7 days. You'll be amazed with what you discover. Number 2 is set a simple goal. You can set a tiny goal. It can be as small as you want to read a chapter in a self-help book in a week. A chapter might be very small in a whole book, but if you can stay focused and do this, it is a progress. And you can decide to save money. And the last but not the least is invest in yourself. The best self-investment you can do right now is to invest in knowledge. No matter how broke you are right now, you can still learn for free. That is why you have YouTube. So if you are ready to take control of your finance and grow into the best version of yourself, hit the subscribe button right away and join this amazing community. I would love to hear that one thing you are excited to work on. Drop it in the comments below and let's start this journey together. Thanks for watching to the end, and don't forget your 20s are the perfect time to build the foundation of a brighter future. See you in my next video.